Okay. Tunaendelea na maswali na ufanyaji wa maswali yetu. Tupo katika properties of matter. Properties of matter under the TZ syllabus, which consists of properties of kinetic theory of mass gases, elasticity, and the surface tension. So this is the undersurface surface tension. It says that a capillary tube is immersed in water of surface tension of 7 times 10 power negative 2 Newton per meter, and rise 60.2 centimeter. By what depth will mercury be depressed if the same capillary is immersed in it? Angle of contact of mercury is 148 degrees, and the density of mercury is equal to 13,600 kg per meter cubic. Surface tension of mercury is 0.74 Newton per meter. Okay, kama tulivyosema kwa bacha kwanza, identify the problem. Identify the problem. Kama unaweza kurahisisha mchoro wako. If you are able to draw a diagram, just try to draw a diagram. So a diagram is like this one. Like this one. After drawing a diagram, then identify the data given. Data given here, we have given the surface tension of water and rise in water in a capillary tube. Also, we have given the angle of contact of mercury, density of mercury, and surface tension of mercury. What is required? It is required to determine the depression in capillary tube when it is immersed in mercury. Okay, so let me show you the condition of the problem. So here it is water. Tumejifunza kwamba maji yana curve downward. Maji yana curve downward kwa mchoro wetu kwa kama hivi. Kwamba condition iko this way. Kwamba huyu ni capillary tube. Sawa sawa na capillary tube yule ambayo tunamkuta kule nyumbani, ambayo tunafanya kumwagilia. It is used for watering our gardens, and also in hospitals can be used the same way. In the same way, the capillary tubes in our body. Okay, so the capillary tube is immersed in water first. So this is the capillary tube. Tumesema kwamba capillary tube ina a narrow bore in it. So a narrow bore which allows water to pass through, like water from the ground passes to the tree through the process of known as osmosis. So then, in this case, this is the capillary rise. This is the capillary rise. So for the case of mercury, there is a capillary fall. Together with me here, kwamba mimi nikiangalia hapa naona kwamba kuna just some water is arised through. It is at the certain point here. So it is a capillary rise. It is the same as this one. This is the condition of the problem. It is a diagram first before. First, the capillary was immersed in water. Firstly, there is a capillary rise. So the same capillary tube, when it is immersed in mercury. Mercury tunaita zebaki. Sisi tunaita zebaki. Hapa naonyesha tu kwamba sijui kama itaonekana vizuri, lakini hapa nina mercury. Mercury, it is a metallic liquid ambayo tunatumia sana sisi katika kukamatia dhahabu. When mercury contact with the gold, it's making a mercury amalgam. So kule migodini tunatumia sana katika kukamatia dhahabu. Hii mercury, it is a metallic liquid. Here it is inside here, it is a mercury. So the shape of the mercury here, the shape of the mercury at the top, it is like this one. It is curves upward. It curves upward. Where on the case of water it curves downward. You see very clearly the meniscus of water, it is curves downward. Where for the case of mercury it curves upward. So there is a depression in the mercury in capillary tube when it is immersed in mercury, and there is a capillary rise when it is immersed in water. So, tunaambiwa kwamba the same capillary tube tumekitumbukiza katika vyombo viwili tofauti, kimoja kina mercury, kimoja kina maji, kisha tutafute capillary the depth depression in capillary tube. So first case we can find the radius. Kwa tungeangalia data zetu zote tuna height, capillary rise tunayo, surface tension of water tunayo. Lakini tumepewa angle of contact of mercury, pia tumepewa density of mercury. Tumepewa surface tension of mercury. So how can we do? So on finding the radius of the tube, kwa hiyo radius of the tube itatupelekea kutafuta the depression in the capillary tube. So from surface tension or from the capillary rise H, from the capillary rise H, this is equal to 2 gamma cosine of an angle divided by density GR. This is the formula. To derive formula hii, kule kwenye theory to derive formula hii, whereby the capillary rise or capillary fall is given this way, whereby H is inversely proportional to R. When R increases, H decreases. When H decreases, means the R increases. Or diameter of the tube inapelekea condition of the capillary rise or capillary fall. So then we are looking for R. R in this case it is given by 2 gamma cosine of theta divided by density GH. So R, remember the same capillary tube. So this is R times gamma for water. It is 7 times 10 power negative 2 times cosine of an angle. For a clean water, angle is 0. For a clean water, angle of contact is equal to 0. Dividing by density of water, tulijifunza kwamba it is 100 kg per meter cubic, times acceleration due to gravity, let we take 9.8 meter per second squared, times the given height there, it is 60.2. In terms of centimeter, put it in terms of meters. 6.2 times 10 power negative 2 in terms of meters. So here is the radius of 2.37 times 10 power negative 4. This is in terms of meters.